Welcome back. Damodar Superstore at Madgaon was robbed on Tuesday morning. 60,000 cash and other goods amounting to 40,000 rupees were robbed. This shop belongs to Rajesh Naik, who is one of the accused in Sultan Bilari case. The owner of the shop has expressed displeasure over the failure of police to control thefts in the commercial capital.
60,000 cash and goods amounting to rupees 40,000 were robbed on Tuesday morning. The robbers entered Damodar Superstore from the rear side. The shop belongs to Rajesh Naik, who is an accused in Sultan Bilari murder case.
60,000 cash दवरले प्लस बारीक बारीक कॉइन आशिल्ले ड्रॉवरान चांदीचे कॉइन आशिल्ले आनी शॅम्पू बॉटल्स स्प्रे अशें करून एक कॅश 60,000 आनी ते एक 30-40,000 सुमार बाकीचे सगळे कॉइन बीन सगळे धरून हय.
She has expressed displeasure over the failure of police to combat thieves in their areas.
ज्या पयलीं 3 फावटी चोरी जाल्या आनी ह्या 3 फावटी चोरी एकदांय पुलिसांनी कांयच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावना. ते म्हणटा व्हडले फिंगरप्रिंट्स बीन ते मागीर सोदून काडटा पूण हांगा जेन्ना ते येता जेन्ना इन्व्हेस्टिगेशना तेन्ना ना फिंगरप्रिंट्स घेता ना कितें करता फक्त एक फोटो क्लिक करता ते आनी ते चल्ले पूण तांकां मागीर खंयच्यान ते फिंगरप्रिंट्स बीन मेळटा पळय ते म्हाका खबर ना. मागीर तांकां सगळें मेळटा ते खंयचे हाडून लायता आनी कितें करता तें खबर ना. आतां आमच्या एरियेन 3 चोरयो जाल्ल्यो आसा. आतां ह्या एरियेन इतल्यो चोरयो जाता की एकूय पुलिसांनी सोदून दिल्लें अशें म्हाका जाल्यार अजून पर्यंत खबर ना.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
The third edition of the Semana de Cultura Indo-Portuguese Festival will begin on 21st October. This unique month-long festival is held to celebrate Indo-Portuguese culture. The organizers have appealed to the freedom fighter community to support such festivals instead of opposing them.
Goan freedom fighters condemn celebration of Portuguese culture in Goa. The organizers of Semana de Cultura festival paid tributes to their contribution in Goa's liberation, but at the same time appealed to them not to oppose such festivals. They said that this is neither a political event nor a glorification of the Portuguese regime.
Our pursuit has never been political. So the opposition which they did, I don't know whether it yielded any results. Constructive opposition is welcome, but I don't think that any freedom fighter today will oppose us, because we have people from all cross sections. Some of my father, for example, was in the freedom movement. We all cherished our freedom.
The festival will be held over a month starting from 21st of October.
7-8 organizations got together and thought of keeping this unique identity of Goa, which was because of the 450 years of Portuguese influence on Goan people. Goa has got that own identity as far as the Bharatiya Sanskruti is concerned, and you could see that there was a good blending of European and Indian culture united together.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Work on the Lusofonia Games 2013 could start by the end of 2011. Executive Director of the Sports Authority of Goa told Prudent 3 tenders with regards to new infrastructure for the games will be released by November. The SAGA has set a time limit of 1.5 years to get ready all infrastructure for the Lusofonia Games 2013.
Possibly in the next month we are tendering 3 projects. One is complete renovation of Fatoda Stadium, then indoor and outdoor stadium at Pernem, and a huge indoor stadium at MCC Margaon. And these 3 projects, along with the indoor stadium that will come at Goa University campus, would be utilized. Then the one in Shiroda would be utilized for holding the Lusofonia Games. As far as athletics is concerned, a 400-meter synthetic track would come at Pede. Another 400-meter synthetic track would come at Goa University.
Prabhudesai told Prudent the synthetic track work would be tendered in another 15 days, while the SAG have set themselves an 18-month deadline to complete all tasks.
Synthetic track project at Pede could could take another 15-20 days, I think. At Pername, MCC and the stadium, I told you next month we are tendering.
Okay. So could we see the work orders being released before the end of this year?
Yes, most certainly, most certainly. Otherwise, it's very difficult to get the job done in 1.5 years or so. Our endeavor would be to complete these projects in 1.5 years. The 3 projects that we are tendering as far as national games and Lusofonia Games are concerned.
At Shiroda, the volleyball was supposed to come, if I'm not mistaken. What about the land acquisition on that front? Has that been completed?
Land acquisition is going on from the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. They are the body which acquires the land at various places for Lusofonia as well as national games.
From Kampala, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.